counter HON is used to count stick-shaped objects such as plastic bottles, pens, and piece of wood. HON is one of the most useful counters in Japanese. Let's start. 1 item 1本 1本 2 2本 2本 3 3本 3本 4 4本 4本 5 5本 5本 6 6本 6本 7 7本 7本 8 8本 8本 9 9本 9本 10 10本 10本 As you could see, there are 3 patterns. ポン 1本 6本 8本 10本 本 2本 4本 5本 7本 9本 本 3本 Let's practice pronunciation together. Please repeat after me. 1本 2本 3本 4本 5本 6本 7本 8本 9本 10本 Great! Something you might enjoy. Japanese coloring book called Kawaii Japan Trip by Very Kawaii Club is on sale at Amazon.com. This coloring book will make you imagine you are traveling in Japan by coloring in your room or anywhere you like. Coloring is a healthy way to relieve stress and helps your body relax. Let's enjoy your creativity with coloring book Kawaii Japan Trip. Thank you for watching. ご視聴ありがとうございます。If you'd like our video, please subscribe and smash the good button. We deeply appreciate you taking the time to watch our video today. See you next video. またね